everyone is well. In this video, I'm going to explain you an easy trick how to remember all these formulas within a minute. Okay, that is class 10 maths chapter 4 pair of linear equation in two variables. Coming to the first column, pair of linear equation. These are the standard form. This is standard form untadi. A1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is standard form, okay? And algebraic conditions is a graphical interpretation, algebraic interpretation, consistency. Okay, ఇవన్నీ మీకు అవసరం లేదు. జస్ట్ ఈ ఫార్ములాస్ పైన కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయండి. ఇంకోటి ఏదైతే నేను అండర్లైన్ చేసినానో అది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. దానివల్ల ఈ మొత్తం టేబుల్ మనం ఒక్క నిమిషంలో గుర్తు చేయొచ్చు. ఎట్లా? see here, first column, first case is a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 and a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. Third case is all are equal. First two are not equal, first two equal, third one is not equal, here all are equal. Okay, then coming to the, if they are not equal, intersecting line, both are equal, parallel line, all are equal, coincident line. Then intersecting line, parallel line, coincident. How to remember? Just remember the country name. Country పేర్లు గుర్తు పెట్టుకోండి, మీకు ఈ మూడు ఈజీగా గుర్తొస్తుంది. ఇండియా, పాకిస్తాన్, చైనా. ఇండియా మీన్స్ ఇంటర్సెక్టింగ్ లైన్, పాకిస్తాన్ మీన్స్ parallel line, China means coincident. Finish. India, Pakistan, China. One column done. And second one, unique solution, no solution, infinite many solution. UNI, United Nation India. I have created this. Okay. So U means unique solution, N means no solution, I means infinite no solution. Done with second one. Then coming to third one. This is chala easy. CID. C means consistency and independent. CID famous. Under this. I means inconsistent. And D means dependent and consistent. So I hope this trick will help you a lot to remember this all. Okay. Based on this, so many questions they are going to ask you in for board exam. So if you like and understand our video, please like, subscribe and share our video. Jai Hind.